ट्रांजिशन ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग है कि आई कम फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन बाड़मेर, आई वाज फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल। अब वो IIT में सब कुछ इंग्लिश मीडियम है, सब कुछ जो हिंदी में पढ़ते थे वो सब कुछ इंग्लिश में हो गया करना है। 4 years in IIT, the kind of friends that I made that are friends for lifetime. So Vikram, who is CEO of Cars24, he is my college, IIT Bombay, Metallurgy and Material Science, and we
Same batch?
yeah, same batch, same batch. I remember that phone call really. I was in Deloitte office when I got a phone call, and he said, Gajendra, you have been selected, but I have, one thing that I want to first ask you. You will have to go to US. Are you willing to go to US? मन में तो यार hell yes. क्या सवाल है ये? But then the US journey began. अगर मेरे को मेरे बॉस की जॉब या बॉस के बॉस की जॉब, if I don't look up to that role, that okay, one day after few years down the line I want to also in that shoes, then is this something I want to continue? What I decoded myself for it, यार करेंगे तो फिर स्टार्टअप में करेंगे, because इंडिया में हूँ ऑलरेडी, पर इंडिया स्टोरी was about to unfold or slowly unfolding. One of the most common reason for anyone to fail in life is to have victim mindset. कि जो बुरा हो रहा है वो तो मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है, मैं ही एक अनलकी पर्सन हूँ, मेरे साथ ही वहाँ पे ये हो गया।
Did you have any EMIs to pay back then or no?
कार की शायद EMI होगी। आई मेट विक्रम एंड विक्रम ने मेरे को ऑटो कैटेगरी के बारे में बताया, यूज्ड कार के बारे में बताया। या तू यूएस में रहा हुआ है, यूएस में हाउ मच इज द कार ओनरशिप? 80%। सो यार ये बिजनेस ऐसा है, इट विल कंटिन्यू टू ग्रो फॉर डिकेड्स बिकॉज वी आर सो अंडर पेनिट्रेटेड। ओनिंग ए कार इज अ ड्रीम फॉर एवरी इंडियन। माय वाइफ वाज वेरी सपोर्टिव एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि यस, इफ यू फील स्ट्रांगली फॉर इट, आई एम रेडी टू टेक ए प्लंज विथ यू। So I moved from Mumbai to Gurgaon. Vikram was already there, and Vikram's partner or co-founder of PEP, Manish Mehul Agarwal, he asked him and Vikram.
And Mehul, you were meeting for the first time?
First time, yeah.
Okay.
And then Ruchit Agarwal was a friend of Mehul.
So that middle class background, that aspirational vibe, you already were aware.
Yeah.
उस चीज ने मेरे ख्याल से इंडियन कंज्यूमर की साइकी समझने में हेल्प करा होगा आपको।
In used car, financing was
a hassle.
So when we look at the data, कि financing used car में सिर्फ 15% होती है, 15%.
Yeah.
When the new car financing was almost 80%.
Yeah.
We want to solve for the affordability.
Yeah.
Consumer loved the concept. Electrical two-wheeler have made a massive dent. तो अभी right now the ecosystem has not evolved very much in EV. देखो resale value तो अभी भी सबसे जो हाई जो अच्छी मिलती है Hyundai और Maruti कार से मिलती है।
Which founder is more likely to do this? Okay, pitch a crazy enterprise idea every second week.
Vikram.
Pull a Dhoni-like innings in funding, calm, quiet, then boom, closes the round.
Mehul.
Be more of a car freak than a car seller.
Rachit.
Actually be a better driver than a founder.
Me.
If I had to ask you, are you an engineer? Because IIT Bombay बोलने काफी रहता है. Are you an IITian then? Okay. So which engineer were you?
Metallurgy and Material Science.
Oh.
So वो एकदम it was not something.
तो unique है, and what I also know is that it's quite difficult. Metallurgy.
ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब difficult यार, you make it difficult as much as you want it to be. तो हमारे टाइम में ये था कि भाई तो या तो डॉक्टर बनेगा, इंजीनियर बनेगा, पढ़ाई करनी है तो अगर आगे पढ़ेगा तो, अगर गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलेगी और फिर he will settle on his own and then everything.
Government job was a target.
Government job was a target by my parents. मेरा तो पता नहीं क्या था, मतलब I was just
क्या था?
open minded. Let me just rewind this back a bit. तो जब 11th 12th में आए तो 11th में आए साइंस मैथ्स ले रहे हैं। अब उसके बाद पता तो इंजीनियरिंग करनी है, ठीक है। अब इंजीनियरिंग करनी है और मैं छोटे शहर से ही था। तो छोटे शहर में क्या होता है, कहानियाँ बहुत होती हैं। कहानी इन द सेंस कि 10 साल पहले कोई तो गाँव से निकला था जो बेसिकली IIT गया था या बिट्स गया था, वो अब जापान में है, वो अब US में। फिर पता लगा IIT करने के लिए तुम्हें बेसिकली पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, ड्रॉप लेना पड़ेगा और कोचिंग करनी पड़ेगी, जो कि ऑफ कोर्स।
एक सेकंड, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन। तो मतलब IIT जो है पूरे स्कूल के ट्रैजेक्टरी में IIT दिमाग में था नहीं? Until
when I got to the 11th, जब खत्म की ना तब IIT दिमाग में आया, क्योंकि उस वक्त कुछ पता नहीं था। And I'm talking about back in 90s.
But did you know about the culture of IITs or just didn't know anything at all?
11th के बाद जब सोचना शुरू किया ना, उससे 11 से पहले तो सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जाएंगे। फिर जब इन कहानियों से जब काफ़ी बेसिकली कहानियाँ जब दिमाग में बसी कि यार, फिर समझो ऐसा हुआ कि यार मेरे को भी नॉर्मल इंजीनियरिंग है नहीं करना, तो यार
आईटी
आईटी करेंगे, नहीं तो फिर ये छोटे मोटे में फिर आई वुड नॉट बी सेटिस्फाइड विद माई सेल्फ। ये अभी भी मैं युवा में मतलब मेरे को अभी समझ नहीं आता।
दैट इज अ बिलीव दैट यू मे हैव गॉटन इन योरसेल्फ कि यार मैं ये कर सकता हूँ ना, या फिर पता था कि आईटी करने।
या मेरे को नहीं पता मैं कर सकता हूँ नहीं कर सकता, बट मेरे को कोशिश करनी है। तो क्यों?
थैंक यू। सो दिस इज दैट आई थिंक इज
थैंक यू।
या
फिर एग्जाम हुआ, लकीली एग्जाम में आई गॉट रैंक ऑफ 1464 1464।
दैट्स गुड यार।
या इट वाज आल्सो इन बिटवीन, जैसे हमारे टाइम रैंक सिर्फ 3000 तक निकलती थी आईटी में, अब तो 3200।
टॉप फर्स्ट हाफ में आना।
हाँ, तो उस पे फिर देन आई गॉट इनटू आईआईटी बॉम्बे।
On that note, cheers to
cheers.
small towns,
Yes.
IIT Bombay.
Thank you.
What a wonderful story so far.
फिर वहाँ से फिर आईआईटी की जर्नी शुरू हुई। तो आई थिंक अगेन वहाँ पे ट्रांजिशन ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग है कि आई कम फ्रॉम आई केम फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन बाड़मेर। जो उस वक्त बाड़मेर में बारिश होती थी साल maybe once or twice it used to rain. It used to be it's completely desert place.
Yeah.
और मैं IIT बॉम्बे गया, but there hardly any, it's like desert, right? Complete desert, hardly see any trees, something like that. IIT Bombay in July, I get admitted. Peak monsoon, it's like a संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क जो बॉम्बे का है, उसका बैक साइड पूरा IIT बॉम्बे तक आता है. It's like a greenery, like a lush green everywhere, pouring heavily rain all the time. It's like I feel like I moved to a completely different world.
Of course, yeah. From Barmer to Bombay. Did you get emotional at that point?
Yeah, extremely emotional.
And your family must have also been very. क्योंकि वो
extremely proud because वो I think before me there was, I don't think they could even recall anyone who has gone through IIT from my town. So of course one kid gone through IIT from a town, there's
you must have become a local hero, na?
Pretty much. So that's what made me also proud. That's another part was that because my father felt so proud of me.
That's like a typical Indian dad.
Because I think college life and the people that you are surrounded with leaves far more stronger impression, and also the way you want to carry yourself.
Agreed,
in
yeah.
Professional personal life. So it has very very strong.
So it was the culture of IIT and IIT Bombay that shaped you into the professional that you are right now. Not necessarily.
It has very strong influence to it.
मैंने सुना है कि वहाँ जाके और ज़्यादा प्रेशर आता है, अब देखते हो आसपास इतना कंपटीशन।
Actually, that's what I had the same impression. Because people talking about it कि वहाँ पे 20-20 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ता है IIT में, ये सब. It was all stories. It was nothing like that. It was all just कहानियाँ थी. Of course, there are few students who study really hard, but to really pass your degree, to really crack a degree, you don't have to study so hard. You can live a very normal life. IIT में आने के बाद जो डिग्री नहीं ले पाते हैं वो वही होते हैं who have designed their life not to pass it. Who really made an effort not to pass it. You really have to make an effort to not to pass. But
tell me some of the things that you did during your IIT days that you could not do while growing up, या फिर some of the not the cool things, but things that you knew were kind of.
No, very basic thing I'll talk about. And very basic thing is about I was from Hindi medium school. अब वो IIT में सब कुछ इंग्लिश मीडियम है, तो होता ही है ना कि यू कैन ब्लेम कि भाई मेरे को तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, मेरे को तो आता ही नहीं था, यहाँ पे सब इंग्लिश पढ़ रहे हैं. बट यू नो दैट देयर विल ऑलवेज बी 20-30% पीपल हु आर लाइक यू, who has come from smaller town, who are from Hindi medium, but they are able to sail through it, they are able to navigate through it. Of course, they are also struggling. So one of the most common reason for anyone to fail in life is to have victim mindset. कि जो बुरा हो रहा है वो तो मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है, मैं ही एक अनलकी पर्सन हूँ, मेरे साथ ही वहाँ पे ये हो गया, अरे ये टाइमिंग ऐसा खराब था, अरे वहाँ पे तो ये हो गया. तो this victim mentality, right, where you kind of feel that everything in the world is designed for me to fail.
Conspiring against you.
Yeah. So that is what I would say biggest reason to fail on anything in the life, right? So I realized this very early. Career में I will not have victim mindset. This is
great.
कि ठीक है जो है
self pity में नहीं जीना है.
हाँ, self pity में नहीं, जो complain कर लो, but just stop it over it, right? You know that it will not help you in any way.
Yeah.
So of course, so एक वो barriers आना, हिंदी से इंग्लिश से जाना, so again you find those kind of people who are okay to
And did you have more people like you around you, or you were you felt that you were like amongst the like you were unique?
No, ऐसा नहीं, मतलब वहाँ पे there are many people.
बहुत सारे थे.
Yeah, बहुत सारे. Yeah. So that's a good part about being in IIT, that you will find so many variety of people over there, right?
You make friends there instantly?
4 years in IIT, the kind of friends that I made, that are friends for lifetime. And you go through a lot of ups and downs over there. घर पे बीमार पड़ते तो मम्मी आ जाती है, वहाँ पे बीमार पड़ते तो कौन आएगा, हमारे दोस्त ही आएंगे. और वहाँ पे किसी से झगड़ा हो गया तो तुम्हें बचाएंगे. हाँ, तो दोस्त ही बचाएंगे. या कुछ एग्जाम में मार्क्स नहीं आए तो तुम दुखी हो तो तुम्हें दोस्त बचाएंगे. So they become so much part of your life. Your friendship with anyone gets stronger only when you see up and downs together.
Yeah.
Only with the highs you don't build the deeper and stronger friendship.
Yeah.
So over there, that's why I would say the friends that you make in IIT are friends for the lifetime.
So none of the co-founders
so
Carplus.
So Vikram, who is CEO of Cars24, he is my college friend. He's also IIT Bombay, Metallurgy, Material Science, and we also entered at the same time.
Same batch?
Yeah, same batch, everything. So I know him from now almost last 24 years.
That's a great story. So ये मुझे नहीं पता था. That's a revelation.
Yeah.
So Vikram and you, so did you become friends उस समय या फिर did you?
So basically we were in the same hostel, same wing. So हमारा तो interaction first day में हो गया था. Because we're in the same hostel, same wing, same department as well. और same department के लोग basically same wing में next to room हर basically 7-8 रूम थे जहाँ पे same department के लोग थे. First day पे जान पहचान हो गई.
उन 4 सालों में I'm sure inventions and ideas तो बहुत discuss हुए होंगे, but I don't think you would have anticipated something like a Cars24.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी no.
एक birth 10 years later, no ना? अच्छा.
उस वक्त तो यार survival mode में थे यार, मतलब उस वक्त तो we were thinking that IIT से निकलेंगे, we need to crack a job. Startup was not even iota of क्योंकि कोई moment भी नहीं आता सोचने वाला.
Okay. So but simplified for me, गजेंद्र IIT में जाते ही does that reassurance kind of come to you naturally कि यार I think my life is set more or less?
Yeah, उसमें ups and downs होते हैं. My life is set. देखो broader terms में life is set.
Yeah.
But you know life is always relative. ठीक है. तो होता क्या है कि जब तुम वहाँ पर होते हो 400-500 लोग हैं तो रिलेटिव ना, मतलब तुम्हारे जो स्टूडेंट जहाँ की जॉब लग रही है नाउ ओवर देयर आल्सो यू वांट दैट मेरी जॉब अच्छी वाली लगनी चाहिए. बिकॉज द माइंडसेट टू डू बेटर डजंट चेंज.
Agreed.
Mindset to do better doesn't change means you have to really, even if the job लग रही है, आपको जो वो जॉब लगनी चाहिए जो कि अच्छी वाली हो. It will not be a average job. And over there, what happened actually, I wasn't able to crack a good job. So there's another story. In 4 years, I got right after IIT, I got a job in a consulting firm, IT consulting firm, with a very, I would say, average base pay. उस वक्त I think मेरा package था 2.5 lakh per year.
Okay, this is back in 2004.
2005. So अब बट जॉब तो करना था, जॉब और कहीं लगी नहीं, और कैंपस में एक जॉब लगने के बाद में यू हैव टू रियली टेक इट बिकॉज यू आर आउट ऑफ प्लेसमेंट. तो जॉब लगी, यू आर आउट ऑफ प्लेसमेंट.
Were you happy with the offer that you were able to?
No, I wasn't.
No, okay.
Yeah, I could have done better. I could have done better, but unfortunately I wasn't. But ये जॉब लगी. So
उस समय 2005 में हाईएस्ट पैकेज कितना रहता था?
So consulting आती थी उस वक्त, like McKinsey, BCG. Consulting they used to pay almost 8 lakh.
ये हायर रेंज में होता था.
7-8 lakh. ठीक है.
और ये कंप्यूटर साइंस के बच्चे लाते होंगे.
वो हायर स्टडीज का बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट था. मतलब मास्टर्स करने वाला कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज्यादा था. तो काफी लोग यूएस
आईआईटी के बच्चे भी ये सोचते थे.
हाँ, क्योंकि everybody wanted to go to US at that point of time. So going to US was a big thing back in the days.
Okay.
So ये जो consulting firms थी, they used to pick those students who were good at academic, not like top 1% but top 20%. As well as they are good at extracurricular as well. फिर ITC वगैरह की जॉब होती थी जो कहीं 6-7 लाख के आसपास कर देती है ITC and all. Then there are a lot of jobs which were ranging from 2 lakh to 6 lakh. And I got then a 2.5 lakh wala job. Now, another company that used to come was Schlumberger. So Schlumberger and Transocean, these two companies which were in oil and gas used to come, which I was kind of wanting to crack, but मेरा हुआ नहीं था उसमें. That felt. So वो Deloitte में जॉब लग गई थी, बट अब करना नहीं था. बट ठीक है, मतलब this is what it is. Sometimes you have to take the life the way it is.
You were placed in which city?
In Mumbai. तो फिर उसके बाद में मैंने लगा कैसा क्या एक बार करके तो देखते हैं. मतलब the reason why I wanted to go in a Schlumberger because I felt कि मेरे को अपनी I don't want to do a desk job. I want to do something that requires some sort of engineering. So kind of engineering, right?
You're right.
Where you're playing with whether you are, you know, running machines, you are doing some simulation, you are actually on the field, you are on the site, you are, you know, doing something with your hands and legs as well. Not just sitting on the desk and playing, you know, laptop. And that's, I felt coding may not be my calling. Joined Deloitte.
Okay.
Of course, मतलब made friends over there. 6 महीने गुजारे वहाँ पे. But I couldn't get the joy that I was looking for. Okay. ये तो मजा नहीं आ रहा.
I have a side question to this. How much of female attention did you enjoy or did you get because of
कुछ भी नहीं.
Really?
Almost negligible. वो तो close to zero.
Not in IT, but IT के बाहर तो एक perception मिल रहा है ITN है. वो eyeballs उस समय तो specially नहीं. No, we can be honest. Tell me.
तो IT में होता है. So male to female ratio was 90-10.
IT में in your branch.
In the batch that we entered, we were like out of 500 people, 450 were male and 50 were female.
Seriously? But इतना क्यों difference था मतलब? I got उस समय all the girls were just preferring to do maybe a medical, not engineering.
Yeah, I think girls had higher density in the medical field, medical field engineering. So we were always, I would say, female starved campus. So of course, 50 लड़के हैं, 450 लड़के हैं, तो कहाँ से you?
And the girls who would be there, उनको कितना attention मिलता होगा?
बहुत. Overdose of attention.
Yeah.
So one of our senior used to jokingly said that the males make sure they don't fall in love at IIT because you end up getting so
heartbroken eventually.
You are attentionally so you are so much craving of female attention that you are not getting that you can easily fall in love with anyone that may not be suitable to you just because you are
right.
desperation है. So don't make that move. Just IIT के निकलने के 1 साल बाद में I still remember that advice very well. 1 साल बाद में जब तुम normal world के प्राणी बन जाओ, उसके बाद में you should really think of it.
Fair advice है जिसने भी दिया. Fair advice.
Fair advice. अब Deloitte पे जॉब कर ली और जॉब शुरू कर ली, बट मन नहीं लग रहा क्या करें. So again you are always figuring something out for yourself. यार यहाँ पे सेटल है कि नहीं, यहाँ पे है नहीं, तो पता लग गया 6 महीने में यार नहीं फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है. So I started looking out and you will not believe it, I must have interviewed in at least 15-20 jobs and I did not get selected.
Okay.
मतलब बहुत वापस से वो स्ट्रेस वाला मुझे क्या shit ये what the heck is going on, right? Not all the companies that I got interviewed for I wanted to go anyways, but it's just a feeling of not getting selected.
It's like a reality check.
Yeah, this is
market में demand नहीं है.
Demand नहीं है और you are doing something horribly wrong. And then luckily what happened, Shambhaji, the company I ended up joining after that, they started an offline off-campus interview because they had some sudden demand.
This was after you had joined already, Deloitte.
Yeah. They used to only hire freshers, but only by going to the college, right? Campus interviews. Off-campus होता ही नहीं था.
Yeah.
And suddenly उनका off-campus हो गया. मैंने कहा ये तो मतलब.
How did you find out about it? कैसे पता लगा?
So they had an option to apply it online.
So you were constantly looking up.
हाँ, मतलब मैंने apply कर दिया था. Because you never, it used to happen but doesn't happen very often. मैं करके तो देते ही हैं, मतलब there is no harm in, there is no downside not applying. तो apply तो मैंने पहले कर रखा था, but suddenly उनका call आ गया that your CV shortlisted, we are hiring for campus, you go.
You will come for an interview.
Yeah, उसको heartbeat एकदम बढ़ गया. अरे, this is the moment I was actually waiting for. And good part, this is what I was talking about, right? Those 10 interviews where I got rejected. Actually prepped me for the interview there, right? The thing that was saying I was beating myself for it.
Yeah.
But actually those
everything is happening for a reason and stars are just aligning.
So of course then I went over there, did the interview and then came back and had a second round interview. And I think that lasted for 5-10 minutes and then okay fine. So पता ही नहीं उन्होंने, a week after I got a call.
Do you remember कि बातचीत क्या हुई थी उस समय interview में?
So interview में it was very, I think nothing specific. It's just that what do you do in life, what do you like, what you don't like, what does really what kind of person you are, right? What are the longest stretch that you have worked. So it was more of a like I would say HR interview than the technical interview.
Okay.
So I think that also was the so it was not a technical interview because to them अगर वो IIT का लड़का है तो technically for them I think they had a filter कि technically wise I don't need to challenge them. I just need to make sure that they are, because Shambhaji oil and gas is a kind of job where you have to not only intellectually fit but physically and mentally, right? Mentally, you need to be really strong because you'll be working on a very remote rig sites or drilling sites, जहाँ पे basically गैस drill होते हैं with lot of people from different nationalities and you have to work with the longer hours and may sometime also have to go 24 hours without sleep. So it's a mentally and physically and mentally both very demanding role. And then I remember that phone call really. I was in a Deloitte office when I got a phone call. And he said, Gajendra, you have been selected in Schlumberger. And my very sad heart sank. And he asked me politely, but I have, one thing that I want to first ask you. That you will have to go to US. You would not be, are you willing to go to US? तो मन में तो यह था hell yes. क्या सवाल है ये, but yes. So
फ्लैशबैक आया होगा उस बंदे का जो जापान गया था आपके बाड़मेर वाला.
From there.
Okay.
I'm talking about back in 2006 now.
The question is that if this was a film and यहाँ पर फर्स्ट एक्ट खत्म होता है, you go to the US. इन फिल्म में अब अगर लिखा है ऑन स्क्रीन टेक्स्ट 8 साल बाद, तो वो सीन क्या है?
8 साल बाद I'm thinking यार, is this the brand I want to, or is it the role, is this the appeal I want to now retire myself into?
Okay.
I was in a 50-50 mindset, and I think the turning point that has happened after 8 years, or oil and gas was going through a lot of up and down because of obvious reasons, market. And I realized that oil industry is a sunset industry, means it will not going to grow for rest of my life, right? Because anyways, oil and gas drilling is becoming more and more tougher, and the opportunities are not going to explode. It's only going to shrink over the period of time. But that was more of a theoretical reason. But the major reason was that I was telling myself that यार, अगर मेरे को मेरे बॉस की जॉब, जो बॉस मेरा जॉब अभी कर रहा है, या बॉस के बॉस की जॉब, if I don't look up to that role, that okay, one day after a few years down the line I want to also in that shoes, then is this something I want to continue? So I think the realization that click किया, अगर मेरे को अपनी बॉस की जॉब भी अपील नहीं कर रही है, in all I could see, अपील नहीं कर in the sense that someday I want to really, because ultimately it's an aspiration, na? Because you always want to grow. Growth and learning is very much deeply rooted. You want to grow, you're an ambitious person, you want to do something. And if you feel that you're not ambitious to move to the next role or role after that, then you feel something is missing in you, right? Then you feel that I'll have to think life beyond.
The most obvious question, how and when did Cars 24 then come about?
Yeah, so it's also a serendipity, or I would say an accident. It's not something that I planned for a very long time. So अब ये हो गया था कि I don't want to be in the rush and make a decision that, because I'm always a kind of person who wants to make sure that if I make a decision, I'm sticking to the decision for a very long time. So I'm okay to take long time to decide, but if I decide, I want to make sure this decision is for good. I don't want to look back and see this
and
regret. What I decoded myself for it, यार करेंगे तो फिर स्टार्टअप में करेंगे, because इंडिया में हूँ ऑलरेडी, और इंडिया स्टोरी वाज अबाउट टू अनफोल्ड और स्लोली अनफोल्डिंग. जब 2013-14 में बात करूँ तो जोमेटो, ओला as well, it was going bigger at the point of time. We used to hear an example, Make My Trip. Make My Trip also was in a way. So
travel was all about Make My Trip.
Flipkart also kind of begin journey over there. So
back then Flipkart was a book.
So you could see that India में भी वो ecosystem, India में भी वो startup story unfold हो रही है, and it is going to be a really big. So one thought was very clear, यार फिर startup ही करेंगे. Right, यहाँ से मैं, क्योंकि slums से निकलने का risk है. It's a big risk. You are, just imagine you are married, you have a baby, you are very settled in your job.
You were married by then?
Yeah.
अच्छा उस पे आएंगे हम, पहले आप continue करो.
तो कि startup करना ये clear है. तो सारे meeting with friends. Luckily, of course, because from IIT Bombay, a lot of folks have around the startup ecosystem. So I started connecting with a lot of friends. Vikram was one of them as well.
Okay.
Vikram was running fairfurnish.com at that point of time.
Which one?
So Fairfurnish is online furniture company.
Okay.
So you could order furniture online. So they were creating Amazon for furniture in India.
Okay. You could buy furniture, rent furniture.
Buy furniture.
Achha.
Buy furniture, any kind of furniture, from small, let's say, from plate to, let's say, sofa, right? Any kind of furniture.
Complete home utility.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I told him, यार तूने startup शुरू किया है और you've been running it, यार you. So I also wanted to. He, of course, at that point in time, I was very early stage of thinking. So he explained to me what is he doing. I found it fascinating. If he cares, so मेरे को.
Fab Furnish was fascinating to you, and it was a website.
Yeah, it was a website on like complete online furniture retail company.
How was it doing?
They were doing fairly well. Like I don't remember the numbers and etc. But they were like, I think they were the largest growing online furniture. They were the only online furniture company at the point in time. No, actually they had two competitors. Urban Ladder was there, and there was one more company.
Okay.
I'm forgetting the name of it, but they were the market leader position.
Okay.
I'm talking about that 2013, 13 odd or so. So, anyways, I started. It was very early stage. Like I was saying, I was just thinking about it, very early stage. So, and I didn't want to make any decision in the rush. So that's how the सीधे के करना तो फिर startup ही करना है. But let's first get yourself understand तो करो है क्या है, right? What are the consumer problems that exist in India? How technology or internet can solve it? Which category to be part of?
ठीक है.
How much is funding important when you're running a startup? What are the government? How much government is supporting any?
तो तब तक ये fundamentals of startup आपको पता ही नहीं रहे.
नहीं.
And nobody knew. Not even Vikram or anybody else.
Vikram was running, so Vikram kind of course, started journey early.
Okay.
So Vikram started Furnish, I think, back in 2011.
Okay.
So he, of course, he kind of knew about it.
और उस समय ये full stack होना है नहीं होना है कुछ नहीं पता. हाँ. ठीक है. Correct.
No idea at that time. 2015 तक आ गया और I was still not able to decide because I wanted to make sure that I do join a startup because it's a huge risk, right? You are kind of letting out everything. So I wanted to be really super confident that I can't. Earlier, you were single. You are ready to still plunge on it.
Responsibilities आ गई. Family
I can't be so. I would say carefree in my decisions. So I.
Did you have any EMIs to pay back then or no? You were financially so sorted, which I assume you were.
I'm thinking about it. I think at the time car की शायद EMI होगी.
Okay.
Yeah, car की EMI थी.
Which car did you have back then?
Mahindra XUV 500.
Oh, I drive a 300.
So
okay.
I think that's the first car I bought in India.
Okay.
ये कहना था कि भाई startup करना है, but I want to be very very careful in my decision. I can't make any reckless or carefree decision because of the family. So I just kept on warming. When you need to warm up to your thought process, you need to take your time.
Yeah.
Some people can take decision आज रात को किया और कल ले लिया, but I think I was at that stage of my life where I need to take a very calculated move, especially such a drastic move I'm making.
Yeah.
Where I'm going to risk it all. Just because, right? तो फिर क्या हुआ कि अब when 2015, fast forward 2 years or 2.5 since I started actively scanning for the what to do next. Now we were just chatting, and Vikram suddenly said, "My nickname is Gajju." So Gajju यार हम basically मैं एक न्यूज़ देनी थी तेरे को यार मैं Furnish basically I'm exiting out of Furnish.
Okay.
We are thinking of
exiting or shutting it down.
Selling it off and then moving on, something like that.
So does it still exist?
Huh?
It is existing. Okay. Sorry, continue.
So it was basically they were selling it to some big brand, and they were moving on. Or anyways, he knew that I was looking for opportunity to do something in the startup ecosystem. Then Vikram said, "Yeah, मेरे पास एक idea है, एक thought है, and I think you should hear me out. अब जब अगली बार मिलेंगे तो तू सुनना और अगर तेरे को ठीक लगता है, that suits your thought process, then you let me know. And then we'll see how thing goes." So I met Vikram, and Vikram ने मेरे को ऑटो कैटेगरी के बारे में बताया, यूज कार के बारे में बताया, and देख इंडिया में देख the thing that strike me the most at that point of time what he told me that इंडिया में 3.5 करोड़ कार ओनर्स हैं. इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन उस वक्त करीब 1 मिलियन के आसपास थी. ठीक है, तो इंडिया में 3-3.5% के पास कार ओनरशिप है. तो यूएस में रहा हुआ है. यूएस में हाउ मच इज द कार ओनरशिप? 80%. चाइना में सेम. ऑफ कोर्स चाइना इज एग्जांपल दैट वी लुक अप टू इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेवलपिंग. चाइना में सेम कार ओनरशिप
इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेंड्स चाइना
18% है. 18. सो क्या यार ये बिजनेस ऐसा है, it will continue to grow for decades because car ownership in India is going to continue to grow because we are so under penetrated and market is growing that India and owning a car is a dream for every Indian. This is like a milestone. And before you own a house, you first buy a car.
Yeah.
Right. So this is the category which is going to grow very big.
And during this time, you did not have any competitions or reference to look at, or there were players that
In the car
in this
category.
industry.
Yeah, we had.
Okay.
So we had, but in a different context, and I'll come to it. So when he said that used car mein, the second biggest advantage that we have, एक तो ये car category in general is going to grow for many decades to come because of we are severely under-penetrated in terms of the car, ownership. Second thing that what he said was also super exciting to me was that technology or internet have not made any change in the way any one of us or our parents buy and sell car. Our parents or grandparents used to buy and sell car same way how our generation is doing.
Okay.
So at that point of time already Zomato आ गया था, delivery आ गया, sorry, Swiggy आ गया था, lot of
15 में ना?
हाँ 15 में फूड ऑर्डरिंग एप्स आ गई थी, फ्लिपकार्ट अमेजोन आ गया था, राइट, उबर ओला आ गई थी. सो राइट यू कुड सी इंटरनेट इज चेंजिंग द वे वी काइंड ऑफ डू थिंग्स. सो वो काफ़ी ड्रामेटिक शिफ्ट आ रहे थे, बट कार में ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया. राइट, देयर इज नथिंग हैज चेंज. The change that has happened in the car was 5 years ago in 2010. At that point of time, a lot of classifieds have come. If you know that OLX car देखो,
Quicker.
कार वाले Quicker, they were like classifieds where
कार देखो कार वाले आ चुके थे.
market पे. But they were primarily focusing on new cars.
New cars.
Right? But OLX and all.
New cars and literature reviews.
Yeah.
Car reviews.
Car reviews. And OLX was classified, but horizontal classified, means every used good you can buy and sell over there. But
They were not necessarily focused on cars, but everything.
So nobody was actually solving the core pain point of selling and buying car, because यार ये ऐसी चीज़ है, you do it once in 4-5 years at best.
ठीक है.
Right? And you never, most of us have never done, let's say, sold a car before.
Yeah.
So that really struck me कि यार वो those people, like those brands were not really solving the core problem that we were thinking that currently exists in the car category, which is buying and selling, where we can really handhold you in the journey.
Yeah.
Because you had never, it's not like a shampoo that you are buying and you can just buy it off the shelf where you don't need any assistance for it.
Yeah.
But this is a car, right? You're, let's say, selling a car. There are so many if and but you have in your mouth, in your mind about it, that how much price it will going to fetch. Whether the person who's buying the car is going to,
be able to afford it.
Be able to afford it and pay me all money in the way I want it. So it's all one tranche, कोई black or white का पंगा नहीं हो, right? RC transfer हो जाए गाड़ी की, right? And everything happens in a, it doesn't have to drag few weeks to complete the transaction. Right? So we could sense the problem is very deeply rooted and no one is really attacking the problem head on.
Right.
Because it requires a lot of innovative in thinking and technology back transfer.
Right.
So we could see clear white space that was there in the category. Second thing, clearly this category is going to grow for decades, right? And the third thing, the technology has not made any change so far. So
and you were anticipating that technology will eventually make a big difference.
Yeah. I could relate to it even more because when I was in US, I bought and sold my car. Even US में technology was a bit more ahead of us, but वहाँ पे भी journey broken थी. वहाँ पे भी when I was buying a car first time, I took help of eBay. eBay used to be website, which like
You want a glass?
Yeah.
This is an unused. No, this is not a glass.
Okay. Yeah. This.
If you ask anybody, ना candle ये लग रहा है, glass ये.
So when the fundamentals are very much strongly in place, right? Because I want to again make it, shift for the long term. So the fundamentals are in shape. The second thing which has happened is that you will be working with your very friend. Like I said, Vikram, I met in 2001, so almost 24 years ago, and at that point in time, 14 years, so we were still very close friends.
Okay.
Even after we graduated. So it cannot get better than this.
Yeah.
Right? You are able, you're going to work in a startup that will start from scratch.
Yeah.
So you will see 0 to 1 journey.
It is a space will grow. It is the company will be comfortable with.
And it's the people I will end up working with, which are very close to
me.
So I think it was, वो फिर then sign लगेगा, this is the moment. If it will not come again. Yeah. And I remember I called my wife from, I was in Mumbai at that point of time, and I called my wife from Gurgaon. I think I found the...
Thank you. Apple of the year?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think I have found what I was looking for. And thank you. This is a great opportunity, and I think mentally we were prepared for it. So that's how we said, okay, let's go for it, and that's how we kind of started Car24 back in 2015. So I moved from Mumbai to Gurgaon. Vikram was already there, and Vikram's partner or co-founder of Pep Furnish, Mehul Agarwal, he asked him and Vikram.
And Mehul, you were meeting for the first time?
First time, yeah.
Okay.
And then Ruchit Agrawal was a friend of Mehul, so he also joined. He also actually returned from US. He was an investment banker over there, working in India at that point of time.
Okay.
And Bank of America. So he also I also got introduced to him.
Great. Gajendra, where we know that the brand has made significant difference to the lives of people, and that is one of the questions that you've rightly pointed out also. जो मैं पूछने वाला था वो ये था कि when you're navigating the highs and lows and the losses and the wins, one of the most satisfying things would be to know कि यार in a country जहाँ पर एक middle class, lower middle class family के लिए buying a 4-wheeler is kind of aspirational. You've really helped bridge that gap, and you've made it really, really accessible.
Yeah.
How is that feeling? What is that feeling? Apart from everything else.
So I come from a lower middle class family, right? I never drove car when I was in the school. Even I remember my uncle bought a car when after I got to the IIT, and the first time I put my hands behind the wheels. First time that was during my college, and that was not ours, that was our uncle's, right?
Yeah.
और वो भी just उन्होंने वो थोड़ा चलाने के लिए दी थी, just यहाँ से वहाँ चला के just I want to get a feel of it, right? And I think my family owned the first car when I was almost, I would say 27, 28 years old. I was in US.
Graduated.
Yeah, I graduated. I was in US, and I bought.
And which was your first car?
My first car was in the US. It was Mitsubishi. It was a sports car, Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. Now in the US, the cars are relatively much cheaper.
What a story, na, Gajendra, that for an individual who could not afford a car while he was in India, he goes to the US to buy his first car, and then he comes back to India to then launch a car platform itself. That's a great story.
It's a lot of dreams comes true, but it's in a long time. It requires a lot of efforts, lot of patience.
So that middle class background, that aspirational vibe, you already were aware.
Yeah.
So उस चीज ने मेरे ख्याल से इंडियन कंज्यूमर की साइकी समझने में हेल्प करा होगा आपको.
Definitely. Certain I would say category of households they aspire to own a car, and I was one of them. And many of them I could see, right? So we could see that owning a car is a
big thing.
It's a milestone. It's a dream come true moment. And it could help me. I think what is stopping them? So when we were kind of continue the journey of Cars24, so this ISO thought gave us an idea that in used car financing was
a hassle. And
so when we look at the data, financing used car में सिर्फ 15% होती है, 15%. When the new car financing was almost 80%. And used car is almost 50%. On an average, used car की price is 50% of
the new
car. So everyone end up only getting the first car as the used car. But again,
so ये trend है. I'm not aware of that. Most people buy their first car. This is a second-hand car.
Because they want to get to know. They don't want to buy a new car directly. They want to get a used car first, and that's. So there are certain, I would say, of course, some people want to buy a new car as well at the beginning, but there's a good cohort of the customer, good chunk of the customer, they end up buying used car. Now over there, the challenge that we saw is that used car में finance, new car में financing की वजह से it's easy. Used car में financing नहीं मिलती because banks are by design not willing to lend in the ecosystem of used car because market is largely unorganized. तो मैंने ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है, otherwise I will be able to make Indians afford a car, right? And that is our main motto, right? That is what we want to do. So we actually acquired an NBFC license back in 2019. So we applied for NBFC license in 2019.
And again, which is such a milestone. And sorry, please.
So idea behind this is that we want to solve for the affordability. Right? We want to realize the dream of Indians to own a car, and affordability is the one big bottleneck. With the NBFC, we would be able to help them, achieve.
The real way you will be able to solve that problem is by actually coming up with all the solutions around it. and create that ecosystem,
Exactly.
which I know. I mean, when you जब Cars24 पे जाते हैं, so finance का अपना, you've got all the options,
Yeah,
and it's pretty seamless also.
So we were the first one to come in category at the zero down payment. So it was never heard of. Zero down payment, matlab, like you're not, you're not paying anything upfront to own a car.
Yeah.
So we wanted to really, be innovative in the.
If I could get from the horse's mouth itself, in terms of valuation, where are you placed currently?
We
Ballpark?
raised our last round back in 2022. The valuation was close to $3.3 billion at that point of time.
That's almost 3,500 crores? 35,000 crores.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Not
Yeah.
25,000, but around it would be 30,000 crores.
Yeah, that's what I said,
Yeah.
35.
Yeah.
If you've made any comments about it, but I think this is what I sense, that it's a matter of time. It's not a matter of if. I think it's a matter of when you decide to go public. Is that something on the cards?
Every startup I would say all startups are thinking about it to go, because that's the one next milestone in the journey.
वो है लेकिन
Oh, yeah, of course, definitely.
कुछ है पाइपलाइन में कि अब तक हमें इस समय तक करना है.
No, there are lot of steps that we need to do to achieve that. So it is in the pipeline, but I think we have not set any kind of deadline for us, at least at this moment. I think there are something that we need to solve at the business level. Okay. So we are right now Singapore based, by the way, and we want to list in India.
Oh.
Right. So
That's a big step.
So yeah, so that's a big. So we are focusing right now.
Okay.
Let's bring our parent entity to India, and then I think we'll see when that happens, we'll really decide.
Great.
How
I have a unrelated question
Uh,
other than business. Justin, because you've been so much in the thick of things, what is the one major change that you observe in the psyche of Indian consumer when it comes to buying cars from, let's say, 2015 से 2025 तक? अगर 3 बड़े changes आपको बताने हो तो क्या हुआ है change?
That's a really good question. So this category was huge. People used to look down on the used cars,
Yeah.
right? Used to look like कोई नई गाड़ी खरीदनी है, but used car में taboo है, right? Yeah.
Second hand नहीं लेनी.
Second hand नहीं लेनी, right? So there was a taboo attached to it. It was a very big.
Major taboo. It still is. अभी भी है.
अभी भी है. However, the dependency on or the kind of this taboo, ये उधर कोई पुरानी जो old ritual superstition वो बदल रहा है. So that mindset is shifted. So people are not so shy of telling that यार मैंने पुरानी गाड़ी ले ली. पहले तो दोस्त को बताते थे भी नहीं थे, घर में बताते भी नहीं.
नहीं, but उसका फर्क भी तो है ना, and you should be credited for it. कि अब पुरानी गाड़ी सेकंड हैंड का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कोई खटारा सी मारुति 800 ले ली. People can buy a brand new Thar.
They actually talk यार तूने Thar ले ली हाँ. Second Thar ले ली.
6 महीने पुरानी है but ले ली.
But they actually say that you end up spending so much money to buy a new car with the same money. Instead of, let's say, Baleno, you could have bought a Thar. Yeah. Because of same money.
Yeah.
Right? So you actually, in a way, tide is shifting now, where all the customers or Indians now are okay about buying used car that is more value for money, but at the same time they don't.
And थोड़ा luxury की तरफ भी जा रहे हैं. Is that correct?
Of course, heavily. And the second thing that I wanted to highlight, but that has changed or that is changing. There, पहले ना, car is aspirational, but at the same time people also think that it's not aspirational only. People, so
utility हो गया.
Utility हो गया, exactly. So people used to buy a car when they feel कि यार मेरे को life में status upgrade करना है. I'm ready to make a claim that okay, I have a car. But now people are not thinking car is a statement or car is a life upgrade. People think it's a utility is जरूरत है. और ये COVID ने बहुत बदला है. अच्छा. The COVID time, if you remember, people got stuck in their home. Right. People got stuck in their home and they just wish if they had a car, they would have gone to their family. True. Because they were so.
You're right, and now that you mention it, COVID में बहुत सारे लोगों ने सेकंड हैंड गाड़ी खरीदनी शुरू कर दी थी सर.
इसीलिए ना, क्योंकि they felt so handicapped. Public transportation जा नहीं सकते because of fear of COVID. ठीक है. And second, if you don't have a car, then you're stuck at home. Yeah. So that COVID changed a lot of mind. So यार car is utility. Car I want to do because that's an essential part of life. And एक दो चीज, third चीज change हुई है that I think because of players like us and a few others that we've been able to build the trust in the category. Earlier consumers were kind of shying away because there were a lot of information asymmetry, or information was not readily available. You didn't know whether the car is really thoroughly checked or not, tested or not, certified or not, or the price at which you are buying, you are not being cheated or you are not being, being made fool of. So we have, because of entire information right now so readily available about the car, about its features, about its service history, about its condition, about financing. So it's just slowly consumers are now thinking, yeah, organized players है, सब कुछ सामने लिखा हुआ है, post sale warranty भी है, post sale service भी है. So now we have been able to remove that barrier of trust deficit and fill it in the more confidence. So now consumers are now sorry कि यार न्यू कार खरीदने में ज़्यादा उनको टेंशन नहीं है. They are not seeing कि न्यू कार खरीदना आसान है और यूज़ कार खरीदने के लिए तकलीफ नहीं पड़ेगी. मतलब यूज़ कार पहले हुए खरीद सकते थे, गाड़ी का नॉलेज हो, who have been there, done that, and now okay, you are qualified to do so. Now you don't need a qualification. Now we see a lot of female on their own buying car from us, selling car from us because they find it more very comfortable and trustworthy.
वो डिपेंडेंसी चलेगी ना किसी और के ऊपर की, यार थोड़ा गाइड करो या कुछ बताओ वो सब. Fair enough. In terms of our competitors, but what is it that will probably stand you apart कि यार ये हम ही लोग करते हैं या कोई और नहीं करता?
Like I said, zero down payment. That was the one thing. So we did it first, of course. We did it first, and it was, consumer loved the concept. And of course, then we were trendsetters, and few banks and few competitors followed us. So
that's the differentiator.
That's the differentiator. And the one thing that another differentiator that we started off very first was that if you're buying car from Cars24, then you can return the car back to us in 7 days with no questions asked.
Okay, अगर पसंद नहीं आएगा.
पसंद नहीं आएगा, for whatever reason.
Purely in terms of a car expert, okay, car expert, market expert, trend expert. What do you see like as the next big change? I mean, I'm sure EVs तो है, but वो चाहे future of EVs हो या consumer behavior हो, 3 बहुत बड़े changes आप क्या anticipate कर रहे हो ऑटोमोबाइल में?
I think the big change that is going to happen is, so EV, so because there is still not very clear cut future that what will going to scale EV is going. So two-wheeler में EV, electrical two-wheeler have made a massive dent. They took a market share 15-20% in terms of sale, but in new car EVs में the market share is still in single digit. I think less than 5% or so right now. Currently the sale of the car that is happening.
Infra की वजह से.
Infra की वजह से, and I think the EV with the major change right now issue with is that of course infra being obvious one of it, but second is that people are not very clear on how the India में resale value matters a lot यार, right? India में resale value customer को पहले जाननी है, गाड़ी खरीदना हो उसका कितना depreciation मिलेगा, right? 3 साल बाद 4 साल मेरे को कितना वापस से इसका पैसा मिलेगा, और वो EV में अभी वो क्लियर नहीं है. Because EV में 40-45% of the worth of the car is actually a battery, and the resale value of the battery, because battery technology is still evolving. Every year the EV car is coming with a better and efficient battery. So let's say अगर आप 5 on an average rotation time is 5 years. So 5 साल बाद आप अगर EV बेचोगे तो आज की जो बैटरी आ रही, that is in 5 years the battery technology has evolved a lot. So you are in a way you need to let go almost entire value of that EV. That battery
car तो वैसे depreciating है, EV car और ज़्यादा depreciating है.
Exactly. So अभी right now the ecosystem has not evolved very much in EV. So the big shift that is happening in EV in the new car, but that's a big bottleneck that we have, because used pricing of EV is still not very clear cut, primarily to do with the.
But as an investor, for example, अगर आपको अपने portfolio में अगर आपको if you had to invest on maybe a technology or a brand or something that you knew would give you the returns, क्या होगा वो automobile sector में?
देखो रीसेल वैल्यू तो अभी भी सबसे जो अच्छी मिलती है वो Hyundai और मारुति कार से मिलती है. Hyundai i20, i10, Suzuki Swift and Wagon R. ये जो 4 गाड़ियां है ना, सबसे बेस्ट रीसेल वैल्यू देती है. मतलब they even after you sell it after 7-8 years you can still get 40.
What is the reason?
It's just high in demand. Consumers loves driving it. They are ये होता है ना कि they are the first dream for everyone. They can i10 लेनी है, i Swift लेनी है. It's just I would say the craze what they had. This is the first car I want to own.
Okay.
And I think over and above they also been able to build the reliability. Look, in the used, when you may not think of reliability as much, but used where you want to think that reliability and the whether I'll be able to get this car, service, repaired, with all kind of, let's say, support that is needed. वो first और भी ज़्यादा important हो जाता है.
Okay.
So new cars, you can take a still, I would say, risk by going with the lesser known brand, lesser known model.
Okay.
Because you don't anticipate कुछ गड़बड़ होगी.
इसमें मेरा एक वो था thought और सवाल था, because when it comes to new cars ना, or the first cars in fact, किसी भी इंसान की first cars, so मेरे time पे when we were growing up, people started from buying Maruti 800 as their first car. फिर वो evolve होके maybe Alto पे आ गए, then WagonR पे, then अभी maybe Swift पे. What do you think कि अभी वो first car वाला साइकिल भी evolve हो रहा है? People can directly start by maybe taking a sedan.
ये तो यूज में हो रहा है. तो so I would say WagonR तो चलो फिर भी अच्छी रीसेल वैल्यू है. बट द हाईएस्ट सेलिंग जो मेरी गाड़ी है, जो स्टार में हाईएस्ट सेलिंग, वो होंडा सिटी है. राइट, होंडा सिटी बीइंग वन ऑफ देम, i20 बीइंग वन ऑफ देम, जो सेल्टोस बीइंग वन ऑफ देम, क्रेटा बीइंग वन ऑफ देम. Right, so these are the cars who are really, in hot, I would say hot potato. They sell it like a hot potato.
Yeah.
Because ना कि the same budget पे मैं Creta ले सकता हूँ, let's say 10 lakh में, 8 lakh. Nowadays it's very difficult to find a new car में normal भी तो Swift ही ले लोगे ना, तो वो 10, 11, 12 लाख तक आ जाएगी. But with that you can buy a used Creta.
Yeah. On that note, Gajendra, I have a few set of questions that I would want to ask you.
Yeah.
In a maybe rapid fire kind of a way.
Yeah.
But pretty straightforward, huh? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in one word, if you had to break down the biggest revolution Cars 24 has brought about, what would it be?
Biggest revolution Cars 24 brought about, what would that be? I would still go for 7-day return. The 7-day return is I think never thought so in the car category. Nobody would even imagine that, okay, they can bring you can कार वापस कर सकते हो यार. ये never heard of.
हर एक कैटेगरी पे आपको एक कार असाइन कर लिया. Which car would you assign to these following categories? A. Reliability.
Innova.
Road presence.
Skoda Rapid.
Luxury.
BMW X7.
Speed.
ऐसे confusion. I would say speed में भी BMW X7 और BMW I would say 7 Series. That's faster.
Fuel efficiency.
Swift.
Okay. So, since you're a top marketer yourself, how would you pitch this episode to my viewers if you had to, in one shot?
If you really want to know about how the journey of an entrepreneur is and how to build a big business, and how do you really need to think of the fundamentals first, how to think of when to take risk and when not to take risk, and when to listen to your heart and when to listen to your mind. So I would say that's why if you want to know more about it, then you should watch this episode.
Great. As a marketer again, give me 3 ad jingles that have permanently stuck with you.
Ad jingles? अरे बहुत सारी है, but
3 बता दो.
यार एक तो रूट एड जिंगल से कैडबरी वाला जो सॉन्ग है, राइट, क्या खास है जिंदगी में. आई थिंक दैट हैज रिमेन वेरी वेरी स्ट्रांग. निरमा ले लो, निरमा
वॉशिंग पाउडर
निरमा. आई थिंक वो वाला काफी स्ट्रांग है. और आई थिंक जिंगल नहीं, बट तीसरा जो टैगलाइन चिपका दो तो टैगलाइन था, बट वो फेविकॉल के जो ऐड होते हैं ना, जहाँ पे
फेविकॉल का जोड़
जो जुड़े
टूटे से नहीं टूटे, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
समथिंग लाइक दैट. But the ads were always
By the way, so I mean a tagline, jingle like कार बेचनी हो तो Cars 24, as simple as that. Was maybe your brainchild? आपका था?
I don't know how it started, but we were working and just tossing and discussing the ideas, what does really matter to the customer, and how can we really keep that whenever anyone is thinking of selling a car, think of Cars 24.
Simple
रखो, see, which is easy to catch to, easy to latch on to, and it becomes synonym to the category itself.
Okay. Give me 3 brutal truths about the startup world no one will tell you.
Brutal truth about startup world? No one will tell you.
अच्छा एक बता दो सुनो जल्दी से.
Brutal है कि नहीं है? That's something.
Okay, give me some truths.
Truth about the startup is that I think you underestimate the power of patience in the when you get in startup, right? It will require a lot of patience. If you don't have patience, then your life will be very
Okay.
tough.
Okay. ठीक है.
Second would be that the mental resilience to accept the failures and not to attach those failures to your personality, because you होता है कि when you are emotionally so, because you're giving your life to it, right? And then as you're giving your life to it, you are very much attached to the product, the business that you're building. But there will be moments when you feel that some aspect of it isn't working out, right? Or it's failing, or it's not giving you results that what you want it to be. So at that point of time, it's very difficult for you to कि fail हो रहा है, ये मैंने ही बनाया है, ये fail हो रहा है, and you need to really learn, you need to really accept it and accept it without
self-awareness ज़रूरी है.
without clouding that with the emotions.
Yeah.
And the third would be I would say having a hard conversation with the people because you will end up making a lot of colleagues, they will end up becoming your friends as well, but you would have to have also hard conversation with them, right? And that is not an easy thing to do.
Now give me 3 brutal truths about the car business that most people have no clue about.
I think एक तो ये है कि यार car is a piece of machinery that is like more than 10,000 moving parts are in there. So anything, it's like a magic on the wheels, right? It's a magic how those 10,000 pieces of machinery works. You go from Mumbai to Goa or Delhi to Goa, and you travel without having any kind of the technology has evolved so much that there's really a breakdown. You just imagine the technology at work, technology at you're having behind the wheels. So that's something I don't feel many people appreciate or grateful of.
Yeah, the whole engineering behind it.
Yeah, whole engineering behind it.
What's your guilty pleasure car? The one you will never admit publicly but secretly love.
Guilty pleasure car, the Porsche Roadster.
Oh, that's a guilty pleasure. That's the class divide we have. Porsche guilty pleasure में आ रही है भाई. Okay, only a car 24 co-founder could have said it.
That's only pleasure. There's no guilty to it.
What's the craziest customer behavior you witnessed during a buy or a sell?
I think I would not call it a crazy, but it was emotionally that one customer ended up selling car to us, and then I think a few days after, the customer called us that I want my car back.
Oh,
I sold it to you, but I want my car back. Now that car is already we have sold it to someone, and then it's already changed hands. And the customer had a very emotional reason behind it, that he didn't realize that this car had a lucky number to it, which his father told him, because he sold it while father was away. And when father got to know that he actually sold it, they talked about it, but they never thought that he would end up selling it, because बात करते हो बेटे के साथ तो बात, but he ended up selling it, then told कि मैंने तो बेच दी. Then father got really emotional. अरे बताया क्यों नहीं? Lucky car थी. मैं तो उससे बात कर रहा था, right? But बताया तो father became very emotional.
So मिली नहीं मिली बाद में?
Of course मिली, but बहुत मुश्किल से मिली.
एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देके लेनी पड़ी होगी उसको?
नहीं we didn't ask for money. मतलब that was not how we make money.
No, but the person that you may have sold it to, उसको तो वापस देनी पड़ी होगी ना?
Yeah.
You bought it from him.
So we bought it back from him. Of course, we also convinced him, right? We kind of gave him some some incentive as well for the future transaction. But it was a interesting.
Fair enough. Okay, now this one. If Cars 24 were actually a car, कौन सी होगी? What would it be? Reliable, luxurious, high mileage, attention grabber, or a sleeper hit?
Reliable. Yeah.
What's one car jingle or ad that still lives rent free in your head?
Car jingle. Are there any car jingle? Why can't I remember any car jingle?
Tagline कुछ भी करो. वो था ना मारुति का पेट्रोल खत्म ही नहीं होता वाला, बड़ा अच्छा था. That was a good ad.
ये कितना देती है? ये वाला. जो मारुति है. ये कितना देती है? I think that is that line will always stick in my head.
Okay.
उनका एक और था. I think मारुति वाला ad, that was a fantastic ad. I don't know what are the line behind it, but वो ना wherever you are, basically you are in the remotest area, and then you can find a service station. I don't know the lines behind it, but that was very. लद्दाख में कुछ चल रहा है, कुछ छोटी चली गाड़ी खराब हो गई, then you see
मारुति का सर्विस स्टेशन है।
मारुति का सर्विस स्टेशन।
मुझे जो एक उसमें कोई भी यूटिलिटी या कोई भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं था एड में, बट जिस फील्स जिस एड में मुझे लगी है वो है वो आमिर खान का इनोवा वाला एड था ना, जिसमें ही वो मानसून में पहाड़ में ही जहाँ पे सारे कैरेक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, सरफरोश का, लगान का, ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स। दैट्स अ गुड म्यूजिक, गुड वाइब, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड एड।
You feel good,
very feel good ad. Great ad, yeah. What's one feature or idea from a competitor you would secretly admire or wish you had implemented first?
I think their design aspects, product design aspects.
Whose?
I would not want them. But I think the main point here is that you would always learn from your competitors. So there's no point to be, be ignorant. Be the mindset.
तो acknowledging होना चाहिए.
Yeah, it's like you need to know what they're doing good, and what you are doing good, both at the same time, and you need to just keep doing better the things that you think that you are falling behind.
Okay. So finally, आपको भी मैं भी 4 sentences बोलूँगा. You just have to say which founder is more likely to do this. Okay, amongst the 4 of you.
अच्छा.
Okay. Pitch a crazy enterprise idea every second week.
Vikram.
Pull a Dhoni-like innings in funding. Calm, quiet, then boom, closes the round.
Calm, quiet, and closes the round. That will be Mehul.
Be more of a car freak than a car seller.
Rachat.
Actually be a better driver than a founder.
Me.
Buy a car just because it photographs well for content.
Buy a car, just photograph well for the content. That would be Mehul.
Okay. That's it. Great answers, yeah. Rajendra, it's been a real pleasure talking to you.
Yeah, likewise, Rajay. You made me, really quite a few moments that I so deeply parked in the head that really comes out.
No, and it's come out very, very naturally because I could tell it came from the heart, and on a personal level, it's actually a side of it is very, very inspiring, and I'm hoping most of the folks who are watching us right now on ET Now, and the aspirational folks who want to make it to IIT, then eventually make a mark as maybe a startup founder. I think you've got an example right
believe
there.
In yourself. That's the only thing. It's very simple. These words are very simple, but
simple philosophy, and having come from a humble origin as yours, and to have made a mark like that, and you're making, and you continue to make a difference to people's lives through something like a Cars 24, which I would ideally like to see it not just as a startup, but really a game changer, a difference maker, which is actually helping bridge that gap for a middle class family, which is something that I'm a fan of.
Thank you. Thank you
for all those efforts, Rajendra, and good luck for all your enterprise. Thank you so much.
Thank you much.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you, sir.